Hey everybody, I'm Veljko, and in today's video we're gonna be installing the eyebrows on my Lexus IS250. The reason why is I want to make the front of this Lexus a bit more aggressive. Oh yeah, but... So I went on eBay to see what are the offerings for the Lexus eyebrows, because I've seen many Lexus owners, they install them. But I was disappointed that they don't sell the eyebrows in the metallic white color. They only have in carbon, but to me, I don't think it looks good with black carbon fiber eyebrows. I don't know, it just doesn't fit for me. So what I did is I bought the wrap. This metallic white matches the metallic white of my Lexus, which is a very good news. I bought this on eBay for around $7 to $8. And it's a very good quality wrap. It's not just a cheap, ordinary white wrap. I've also cut and made the sample out of a cardboard of the eyebrow. I'm gonna show you later how it will look. It took me around half an hour to make the shape, and I think I made the right one. You'll see how it's gonna end up. Anyway, now that I have the sample, let's head back home and cut the wrap into 2 of these pieces, and then we'll come back here and install them. I can't wait, so let's go. Let's open the hood to make the process a bit easier. There you go. Don't mind the dirty engine bay, I'm gonna clean it soon. So first I'm gonna clean this area. Okay, it's all cleaned. Okay, I think it's this one. Yeah, just like that. I think this is the right placement, so wish me luck now. I'm gonna peel off . I think I should go a little bit lower. Okay, this looks good. I just have to fix this crease, just to push some air bubbles out. There you go. All right, it's done. Let me close the hood to see how it looks. I just washed my Lexus because today is a beautiful day. And I want to show you how the eyebrows look during bright sunny day. And I mean, the color, first let's start with the color. It's almost exactly the same. It also gave that low stance, like the car is lowered to the ground, even though it's not. I mean, the rear of the Lexus, I made it very aggressive, and right now I am working on the front of the vehicle, and so far so good. I waited a few days since the installment just to see if it's gonna start to peel off on the edges, but nope. I mean, this wrap is very good quality, and yeah, still I think it's gonna stay on the car for as long as I want. I am very satisfied, especially for the price, because I can still make 2 or even 3 pairs of the same eyebrows. So I mean, if they don't last long, like maybe for half a year or something, I can just make another one. I will also install the F Sport emblem that are gonna come here. I'm not going to just stick where I want. There is a measurement and distance to where you should put. I have a picture I'm gonna show you. Although my Lexus has Sport package, it's not called F Sport because it's from 2009, and Lexus introduced F Sport later on. I don't know, maybe 2011, 2012, and that's why it doesn't have, but it's basically an F Sport without the F Sport badging and naming. So that's why I think the emblems will fit nicely, and it makes sense. It doesn't have a leather seats, it has Alcantara interior. As you can see, it's not luxury pack. The interior is in black color, and it has Alcantara almost everywhere. Anyway, let's install the emblem. So it's gonna be 15 millimeters from this crease and 82 or 83, wait, I forgot, 83 millimeters from this gap. So I will skip the boarding part until I have the exact placement. I'm gonna put the link in the description. I don't know how much I paid for these 2 emblems because I bought it way long time ago, but I just forgot to install them. So here we go. Just to follow this line. Like this. I forgot to mention, this is not the original F Sport because the original emblem costs so much, and this is like a cheap copy, but I think it still looks good. All right, all clear. I'm just gonna do on the other side and I'm done. Oof, it's getting pretty hot, but I installed the emblems, and you know the thing with cars, you install a small improvement here, a little detail there, and it's starting to, every detail starts to really come into play. I will also wrap the roof in black, and I think that's gonna change the whole look of the car, and it's gonna look even nicer. But until then, let me know what you think of this small modifications that I've done, and see you in my next Lexus video. Take care.